Hey tribe, it's Kia from Heritage 93, and dang, it's been a minute. As you can see, my nails have grown out a bit since my last upload, but I'm back at it again with a nail update, if I can get my angles together. Anyways, remember how I was testing the hollow polish with that dab makeup sponge last time? Well, I never threw away the sponge, and when I peeped the crusty stiff sponge a little later, it was super yellow, so I was concerned about how yellow my nails would be too. Some people don't mind yellow nails, but long plus yellowing nails on me might give off older looking witch hands if I'm not careful, and it's not even Halloween season. But before I reveal the bare nails after 8 weeks time, let's see what we got. First up is my super long thumb. Now this thumb really came through this time, despite having that hairline crack a couple videos back. Now this short thumb fell down on her luck by breaking once, and then I'm pretty sure the corner chipped off when the wind blew too hard. Acetone pointer. I was removing nail polish from my feet and forgot about my fingernails. This nail has been splitting since she was traumatized with the cleaning supplies, but she's bouncing back. And with this middle cracked pinky, I had been recently inducted into the Middle Split Society with my first middle split. But pinky has been thugging it out though. Now I know my nails are yellower and I feel it in my bones, but let's just see. There's a 1, there's a 2, and whoop-de-doo. Fast forwarding past the tedious scrubbing and giving you acetone burned tissue paper, flourishing yellow thumb, and a cotton ball which turned into a whole cotton skeleton. And the gag is, I used a peel off base coat that didn't peel off. A few morals of this video: polish adds another coat of protection to your nails, and old polish is still somewhat loyal to those growing nails. My nails that chipped at their weakest and most vulnerable points. Moral number 3, sometimes the formula affects the staining just as much as the color. You ain't always safe with those lighter ones, see? Number 4, make sure your peel off base coat actually peels off, or else you'll be scrubbing that glitter off forever. Okay? Okay. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed my Get Unready with Me 8-week-old nail edition update. And I'm curious to know, how do you feel about yellow nails? Do you not mind, or do you avoid it like swine? Let me know in the comment section below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next one.